boy empewo ebadde nnyingi.
Kyaggwe. Ndi ku training wano. Kyaggwe. Namboole teri
I want to thank everyone. I want to thank God. I'm Tonkatono head coach Kyaggwe Football Club. We are ready and my boys are ready. My team, we had a good game plan. We have filled our surface. It is good and it will be good for us. We hope all the best tomorrow's game. It is our first time to reach on the finals as Kyaggwe, the Bukunja Warriors, and we hope for the best.
Yes, that pressure of reaching the final.
There's no pressure on our side as we coach and the players because we have played each game as a final from the group stages. We went to 2 quarters to the semi-finals, and we have played some good teams which everyone thought would be on the final. So we are already champions because beating Buwekula, beating Singo, they have been playing very well and they had a good squad. So there's nothing else will happen tomorrow. There's no difference. It will be a final which have played so many finals to reach here.
Finally, the pitch.
Surface is very fine. It's effective on my side because we play flowing football, attacking and defending football, and we hope to win tomorrow's game in the first half, in the early minutes. That's what our game plan is all about, and we hope for the best in tomorrow's game.
Thank you. All the best.
Baveeyo nabo.
Nakunyira pa step ani amukwatako tegera kuona because yali batawanya yali dilala
Number 10. Third title.
This we have come for the third title. For me, I've been in academy, so this team is a group of youth. I know how to manage the youth teams, and my team is full of youth. So we have prepared very well, and we are very ready to play with Kyaggwe tomorrow.
Yes, and finally, what
It's a very good team. We have very good coaches, but tomorrow the one who prepares very well will take the day.